this लड़की वाले doing here?
We are also लड़के वाले. What is this behavior?
She was very vocal about it. She was like pura like I still remember Mothers. She's from Mothers, right? Like so Mothers में there was this MUN and we were like co-delegating together. So post the MUN is over, socials का event है, stage के पीछे she's like marry me. What the fuck? Like I was in college second year, third year probably, and she was like not even like she was just like 12th खत्म हो रहा था उसका.
Our conversation was literally like this. I was like hello, and he's like tall, right? I was like hello, do you want to marry me? He's like no. I was like cool. So throughout all the 10 years that I have known Anindya, I think for the first 6 years, most of our conversation was this: hello, do you want to marry me? Him saying no. And we, so even though we were like, I was in love and everything, I never told him कि hello, I love you या क्या करके. It was always, do you want to marry me? ठीक है. And अभी तो हाँ ही बोल रहे हैं, अब तो क्या ही कर सकता है. तो it's like a full circle वाला thing आ गया.
दोनों जहां में इश्क कोई होगा मेरा, वो है तू ही मेरा जुनून, कहता है आकर दिल को सुकून मिलता नहीं और कहीं. शफ़क़त तेरी मन के परिंदे उड़ते फिरे सवेरे, शफ़क़त तेरी मन के परिंदे उड़ते फिरे हैं साँझ सवेरे, साँझ सवेरे.
जब इंजीनियरिंग करने गए थे both of us, she was at home.
I was doing my 11th when she was born,
and I was in my hostel. So when the D-Day came, so we all rushed. Actually, I came from hostel to see Didi, and then we got baby, and I only gave her name Chungu. Because she was very small and tiny at that time.
We have named her like Chingdi. Chingdi is like the Bengali version of prawn, because she used to be very fragile and kind of. So that's how she named her, and then it became
Chingu officially. And
I remember the day because when Didi got discharged from the hospital, I carried her in my godi and got her home.
Yes.
लास्ट संडे मैं उनके घर गई थी तो इनविटेशन कार्ड देने के लिए, तो उस मोमेंट में मुझे थोड़ा लगा कि मुझसे कुछ जा रहा है. तो आज जैसे वो आईब्रो भात हो रहा था तो तब भी मुझे लगा कि हाँ कुछ हो रहा है. तो ऐसे ही है.
And if I think deeply, I will be shocked and sad. So I am not thinking of that now. Now my target is how the marriage will be performed perfectly in the night. Then only I will feel after her departure. Once she goes to her in-laws' house, then only I will feel that I have lost something. I have lost my granddaughter. Then only.
शफ़क़त तेरी मन के परिंदे उड़ते फिरे हैं साँझ सवेरे, साँझ सवेरे.
Music STK.
इश्क ने मेरे तेरी ईगो के सामने कर दिए अपने हाथ खड़े। सोचा था हमने खाएंगे जूसी फ्रूट, पर फल तो निकले सड़े। तभी तो लव ने मेरे तेरे एटीट्यूड के सामने कर दिए अपने हाथ खड़े। तेरे इश्क में कर रहा था मुजरा, उस वक्त मुझे कुछ ना था सूझ रहा। अब बैठा हूँ घर पे चिल में, गर्मियों के मौसम में बढ़िया आम चूस रहा।
लैंडलाइन BSNL रात में फ्री हो जाता था फॉर सर्टेन आवर्स। राज फोन करके रोती थी कि मेरे को अनिंद्या चाहिए। ठीक है। एक दिन क्या हुआ, कुछ तो बहुत ज्यादा हो गया, सो आई हैड टू कॉल हर और शी हैड टू कॉल मी ऑफ आवर्स में। शी हैड टू कॉल मी ऑफ आवर्स में जब फ्री नहीं होते थे, एंड बिल के बहुत ज्यादा। ठीक है, so she was like crying Anindya ji, and then she was like bill ke bare mein no, so basically it is like since I have been through that phase, Jidar Raj was very cutely loving that guy, obsessed with Anindya, and now that she has him, it is very emotional ki she's finally happy with
finally हो गया
guy.
बट तू खुशी ना हो, तू मत रहो बेटा।
not happy.
दिल छोटा नहीं करना, it's okay.
I am happy.
हम लोग पूरा टाइम लाइक 9-10 घंटा डिस्कॉर्ड पे रहते हैं। अनिंदा प्लेज अपना गेम्स, ही वर्क, वी आर अनएम्प्लॉयड फॉर नाउ एंड वी यूज्ड टू स्टडी। लाइक हम लोग सुबह चाहे 5 बजे से भी ऑनलाइन है, डिस्कॉर्ड पे बैठे हैं, पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं। अनिंदा वुड बी देयर आधे नींद में, सो दैट ही कैन स्पेंड टाइम विद रिया ऑन डिस्कॉर्ड। वो है बैकग्राउंड में है, वो चाहे कुछ भी चल रहा हो, काम हो चाहे गेम चल रहा हो या क्या, he will be there on Discord.
घर में प्रॉब्लम हो, जॉब में प्रॉब्लम हो, you just call Raj and like, hello, this is going bad. It's okay. सब ठीक है जब तू कहो कौन ही ची, figure it out. It's okay. Do you need help? Do you need therapy? Do you need this? We'll send you this. We'll get you this. Anything, everything. She'll be there. Let's connect on call. Text me when you're free. I'll be there for you. So randomly she'll text her like, hello, you okay? I love you. That matters the most, na, ki when you're down and somebody is saying you this.
Riya is like my go-to secret box. में कुछ stress होता है जो होता है, I just call her random, सब बोल देता हूँ कुछ भी.
हमारे कानून होते हैं.
So you are busy with your better imaginary stuff. Pandu is busy with flower. He's busy with cigarettes. Pandu already.
Pandu has reason to be busy.
She's our go-to food partner. We like to have street food. It's like go to early morning puri upma places, dahi vada places. There's a core memory having chole bhature at Priya. It's one of our core ritual as a group. Also, we all go together. Then having biryani. She's really passionate about biryani. Having biryani. She calls a biryani monster. She helped me through once when, since she was also there. It's like. Okay, yeah, okay, fine. No issues. I was into a really toxic person, and they really helped me through and pushed me away from that person. And I was really down, and they took care of me really well for a few months. I was in very bad space at that time, and she really helped me, pushed me. Niklo aise. So that was really. Thank you, Riya. Now, why are you calling her Riya? It's Raj.
Raj
Raj
नाम तो
Mata.
सुना ही है.
Raj Mata. Yeah. For me, that was really special and a very core memory.
Yeah, that's one of the things that we bonded over. But what we actually bonded over was not like being sad about it or something. We just had this habit of already cracking jokes about it ourselves, and like we would randomly say something, and when you do it on your own, when there's nobody else in the room that has sort of gone through that, it just makes them awkward, which is very funny for me, but it's not very funny for them. But when there's two people doing that, now it's really funny for two people, and now it's just like we're the two of us are laughing, and everyone else is just awkward, and like they don't know what to say. Should I be hello? Should I be concerned? Are they going to cry soon or what? So I think that's the thing I'm going to miss the most, cracking fatherless jokes together.
Jokes apart, like I know him like not for that long, but he is one of the kindest, sweetest people I know. Like genuinely when you are around him, you know that positive energy that you feel that he's genuinely a very good person. And the bigger thing about him is for people it usually goes the other way around. But for him it's always been growing. Like he's always been nice to everyone, whoever I know. I never heard a bad word about him, regardless of the experiences. Javita, he's always been like that. He's always been a very kind person and a kind soul.
Yeah, so basically the story which he told that they had to find another person named Anindya in the town, included my role as well, because they wanted they wanted me to verify what kind of a person that guy is. Basically, yeah, Anindya Mishra. So he called me up. Technically yes. I was in 6th grade. So he told me a guy named Anindya will pick me up. So I said, okay, Jami will pick me up. He said no. I was like, bro, there's another person named Anindya. He said yes, he'll pick you up. So I was like, okay. So around 3:30, a random person called me up and said, Ghar tadko aa. Hey, wait a second. So I told my dad to call kari ghar tadu rakhi. So we went downstairs, then I saw him and he was very scared. He saw my dad, he was like, Uncle Namaskar, Yana Satvik. So I was curious, I said, who are you? So he said, Muta Anindya, Yash told me to pick you up. Then he took me to eat ice cream. Until that point of time, I thought I was going to be abused. I would skip the other turn, but I thought I was going to be abused. And then I talked to him. He told me he was from DAV and stuff, and that's all I can say about that time. And ever since we had a close knitted group then, Yash, bhai, me, Jami, him and my cousin Panda, and since then we have had many experiences, even experiences like Anindya Mishra trying to unlock a door without a key at 2 AM in the night. And he had the key. So, and after that, in the recent years when I made him meet all of them, and we had numerous plans while drinking, times where I could not even stand and he took me home and he was like, yahan so jaya waise. And there have been numerous plans, and he has always been a very kind person to me, and he has always been one of the closest people I know throughout my life, and he is as close to me as to my parents and vice versa. That's all I can say. He's one of the best people I know and a good person.
उसको बोला भी था कि like मेरे entire poetry के career में, if you think about it, like I've just written one happy poem, and like that has been for her only. Trust me when I say this. Time melts fast around you. To grasp the fact that it's been a decade feels like a spear blowing right through my heart. Today, when I hear your calm, faint breath in the dead of the night, I often wonder of all the I love yous that almost got out. I know you could tell, but I constantly hoped you could read my eyes too, just to be sure, before either one of us faded for another year. What I think of the most are the days we could have been together, sipping hot chocolate perhaps, or just randomly laying around with a shared earphone as Sad Boy Hours weeps on our behalf. Or we could be a little less lazy and watch something equally heartbreaking and weep together. If only I had let go of my sense to reason, I could have either saved us some heartbreaks or drowned myself in a never-ending ocean of hurt. But the one thing I'm most certain about is it would have been worth it. 10 years of this chaotic parallels, almost close but never together, waiting for a minuscule change of angle that would give us a hope to try. And when hope came in like a gush of wind with some reasoned and some unreasoned drizzle of rain, but as I said, worth it. It's been a year now, and I hear you breathe every day, no matter the distance, no matter the pain we hide, no matter the anger we throw at each other, no matter the unconditional affection. We know we have towards each other despite our differences, but fail to show sometimes. I hear you breathe every day, and trust me when I say this, time melts so fast around you, it's cruel to say the least.
जब से मिले थे मांगा यही, तू और मैं हो साथ में, कायनात से मांगा मिल गया रो न रहा हूँ है खुशियों के आंसू सभी, तुमको दुआओं में मांगूंगा, संभल गया मैं हुई मेहरबानी तेरी, तुमको नजर में छुपा लूंगा। जब से मिले थे है मांगा यही, तू और मैं हो साथ में, कायनात से